Moving on to Tripura, frontline warriors are risking their life every day to combat the deadly coronavirus. Scientists and innovators around the globe are coming up with numerous inventions to help the frontline warriors. A professor from Tripura recently integrated the COVID-19 warbot to reduce the chances of spread of virus among healthcare workers serving COVID-19 patients.
This is a four-wheeled robot that can serve food, medicines and other essential items anywhere you want. However, it is designed to serve with a different purpose. A purpose to protect the frontline health workers who are working around the clock to combat the deadly coronavirus. Meet Harjeet Nath, an assistant professor from Tripura University's Chemical and Polymer Engineering Department, who has developed a robot called COVID-19 Warbot.
The main motivation behind making of this robot is, basically ensuring and safeguarding our health workers, or like the doctors and nurses and the clinic staffs who are working in the COVID positive hospitals, because the more they go in front of the COVID positive patients, they get more exposed and their chances of getting contaminated is very much high.
Using waste materials and mostly available spare parts, including 3 motors, 2 rechargeable lead-acid batteries, transmitter, receiver and USB output, the professor said it cost around 25,000 rupees and took 2 weeks to develop this device. COVID-19 Warbot has a Wi-Fi controlled camera with an inbuilt microphone and speaker, which works as a two-way communication device to help both the doctors and patients to communicate through a mobile phone or computer, maintaining a safe distance. Harjeet Nath said that this device will safeguard the life of many doctors.
Suppose a patient wants to have a one-to-one communication with the doctor can simply sit at a very safe location, and using the smart camera, both of them could have a very wonderful discussion among them, and the patient can act accordingly.
The robot can carry the load of around 10 to 15 kilograms of materials like medicines, food, water, and its operating range is 15 to 20 meters with a mobile phone or computer.
I would also urge our technical people to come up with new innovations so that we could support our health workers as far as possible.
The creator said that he wants to hand over the robot to the state government so that it can be used in any COVID care or hospital.